One of the benefits of using Moodle for your course is that once you get everything set up the way you want, when the next semester comes and you get an empty course shell, you can just import all this material into the next one and then just tweak some things if you want to. What I'm going to do now is show you how to do that import. I've created this blank shell, Moodle for faculty import, and there's one thing I want to show you. When it comes up, you have just the weeks in here, just like normal, but this announcements block or announcements link is already here in the empty shell, and that'll be important in a minute. So I'm in this course, and what I need to do is import my old material into this one. So I scroll down here to import, and I click import. And then it's going to ask for the name. Now, since I'm in as administrator, I've got a whole bunch of courses here, so you won't have as many necessarily to choose from. But you can put in the 5-digit code of your course, or just click it here if you find it. I don't have a 5-digit code for my example course because it's not a real one, so I'm just going to copy and paste that name in here. And then I search for it. And then it brings this one up. So I click, this is the one. I want to import that material from this course, so all this stuff I want to import into this new course. And you can see here's the name of the course that I'm going to import into. Then I click continue. Now, you're going to be tempted to hit jump to final step. And the reason I caution you from doing that is it will import everything including this announcement link, which means in your new course you'll end up with 2 announcement links. And then the next time you import it, you'll have 3 and 4 and so forth. So it'll keep importing that. So we don't want to bring that one in. So unfortunately, instead of jump to final step, you want to hit next. And from here, it has everything clicked. I'm going to uncheck the announcements. That way it'll not import that, and I won't have a double of that. Scroll to the bottom and hit next. And then it just kind of restates everything. So I scroll to the bottom again and hit perform import. And it goes through this process. And depending where you're at and how much stuff you have, it could take quite a while to do. It might stop at 75% and just sit there for a while and then go in. There's times when this could take you 20 minutes, so you might have to just let it go. If you do end up having problems with it, obviously I can help you, but there's just not much in here, so it went through pretty quickly. Then I click continue, and now I'm in my new course, this import course, and all my stuff is here. And the thing you want to remember, if you have dates on your assignments or on your quizzes, you have to change those because it doesn't know when you actually want them due this semester. So you have to open this up, go to edit settings, and then go down here to these dates. And see, I have these set. Well, this is set for a really long time ago because it's an old import. And what will happen is your students will come in here and you'll get emails that I'm trying to do this assignment, I'm trying to take this quiz, and it said it closed 6 months ago. So I would just need to come in here and change this to this year's date, whenever it is that I want this due, and then pick the right month. Let's say these are going to be due in June, and pick the time and so forth, when you want it done by, and then you have the cutoff date as an option. And then you go through and save it. So there's a little bit of a hassle because you have to change those due dates on these. However, you're not recreating everything, and it's definitely worth it that way. If you run into any problems with this, let me know. One thing that could happen is you import the wrong thing, and then if you try and import again the new thing, it won't erase this automatically. It'll just double everything up. So then I might need to go in and wipe everything out and re-import for you. But don't worry about that. If that happens, just fill out a help desk ticket and I'd be glad to help. Thanks. Bye.